Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into the contact dashboard section in the Workflow Secret dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in. Diving into the contact list by ABCD, you're going to be able to, at a glance, find your names by their category, A, B, C, or D, so that you can quickly create call lists for those contacts. You can evaluate their stage and status, and even export that list for an overall view. Some of the really cool features to note, again, we do at the very top right hand have an entry date that we can select and sort by to apply which dates those contacts are being sorted by, as well as a list to see how all of those leads fall into those categories. Now on the left-hand side, you're going to notice that we have several drop-down items that can be used to sort all of the different leads by their status, or you can sort by all of those different records. You can select by stage, by status, as well as adjust the relationship score to filter down that list to see who has a lower or possibly a higher relationship score to help you better understand how those leads are moving through your system and how we can work to build those better relationships. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. But we will see you very shortly.